Welcome to Leaders of Tomorrow. Bringing a glow to your face, that's Oxyglow Cosmetics for you. One of the smaller players in the mushrooming cosmetics industry in India, this young entrant is all set to provide nature's care, as its motto proclaims, through its range of reasonably priced products.
At Oxyglow, our products are basically quality products. The 80% ingredients of our products are herbal-based ingredients, and normally all the companies, nationally and internationally, they use animal-based ingredients. But we at Oxyglow, we use plant and fruit extracts majorly.
The brains behind this new venture, Vikas, is a man on a mission. Sensing the need of India's rising middle class to look and feel good, he's capitalizing on their soaring income levels to provide quality products at affordable prices. This is the mantra with which Oxyglow was started in 2008, and within a span of 3 years is doing brisk business to the tune of 15 crore rupees a year, as well as exporting to countries like UK, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Canada, Yemen, South Africa and Muscat.
We don't really compare ourselves with other players. We set our own benchmarks, and we try to fulfill those targets only. But in coming 3 years, we will like to see ourselves around 60 to 70 crore rupees turnover.
From skincare products like face washes, massage creams and scrub masks, to hair care merchandise like shampoos, oils and conditioners, Oxyglow boasts a range to suit every type. The company prides itself on a fastidious ingredient selection process and the use of actual herbal extracts in its products. In fact, Oxyglow follows the most stringent EU standards in formulating its products as opposed to the more relaxed Indian norms.
हम लोग ये मेक श्योर करते हैं कि जो हमारे पास रॉ मटेरियल्स हैं वो भी प्योर हों. उसके लिए हम लोग एक्सट्रैक्शन भी अपने यहाँ पर खुद करते हैं. पहले बाहर से ड्राइड जो रॉ मटेरियल्स होते हैं उनको मंगवाए जाते हैं, उनको बॉयल करके फिर उनका एक्सट्रैक्शन किया जाता है, उनको चेक किया जाता है. R&D प्रॉपर एक जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट USP है ऑक्सीग्लो की, ये कि यहाँ पर हर प्रोडक्ट का R&D करवाया जाता है.
In spite of its diminutive size as compared to some of its more illustrious competitors, this is one company that doesn't compromise on quality. Small is big in the way this company envisions its future, with plans to expand to 50 crore rupees by the end of the current fiscal. And with a highly qualified workforce being led by industry veterans with a proven track record, this little gem of a company is getting ready for a glowing future.